Are you looker?
Well, ain't I? You're not too bad yourself. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep you as a pet.
Right, look. I need you to come with me. Can we please do this peacefully?
That's funny. You're going to do as I say.
Yeah, I don't think so.
You know this is our house, right?
Two mandingos. One for the field, one for the house.
Oh, hell no.
Nitro, my flow, nice clothes, like whoa. Eat sandwich, like whoa. Now I'm Doc Strange in the range, like whoa. 100 miles an hour, switching lanes, like whoa. Fingernail, rubber ink, like whoa. Team floor switches and chicks, like whoa. 9-9 Jag, Benz coupe, like whoa. You keep them cheese lines on your block, like whoa. Grenade through your window, money, like whoa. Love to see me do this, son.
What did you do to me?
Killed you. Now go to hell.
Don't kill her.
Come on, man. Anyone with this amount of hate deserves to die.
We need her alive to take down Tobias. Unless you want him to win.
No.
Looker's no good to us dead. Let me drive.
All right.
You feel that pain coursing through your veins. That is the most lethal venom on Earth. This'll help. Now, I only gave you half of the antidote. Notice your powers are still gone.
You have no idea who you're messing with.
Oh, I know exactly. Tobias well. Now, you're gonna go back to Freeland, and you're going to admit to everything you did for him.
No, I'm not.
Listen, be smart, okay? Your powers are gone, your men, they're gone. And so is your money train. Take the L, cooperate, and you'll get the rest of the antivenom.